This is my computer hardware project where I have to figure out a computer for my partner that works based off of their needs. So to do this, we start off with the interview. I have to ask questions to my partner, who is Juliet, on what type of computer they want that best fits their needs. So Juliet wants a computer that's for schoolwork. She's not a gamer, so she doesn't need a gaming computer. She wants to be able to use YouTube, Netflix, and saving photos. She wants to bring it to college if it's a laptop, so she wants it to be small if it's a laptop, but a desktop doesn't really matter. The budget should be under $1,000, which is reasonable since it's not a gaming computer and doesn't need to be super powerful either. So requirements under $1,000, must be travel size, must do normal homework, and it must be lightweight. First computer is a Samsung Notebook 9. It's a laptop, Intel Core i7 processor, runs Windows 10, 8GB of RAM, 256GB solid state drive. There's no optical drive, which means that there's no DVD drive, but you don't need a DVD anyways, or a CD, since everything's online these days. You can listen to Spotify or watch YouTube. Then there's a 13.3-inch screen. That's not too big, but it's not too small either. Which means that it's able to fit in a backpack pretty easily. There's a sound card on board. There's an S Pen included too, which is good for doing homework. The next computer is also a laptop. This is the XPS 13. It's a Dell computer, Intel Core i5 processor, runs Windows 10, 8GB of RAM, 128 gigabytes solid state drive. There's no optical drive again. Same size screen, and it falls just under the budget by about $90. Next one is a desktop. It's HP Envy. Same thing as the last one, Intel Core i5 processor. Runs Windows 10, 12GB of RAM, which is more than the other ones. There's 1TB hard drive. It does have an optical drive. And I bought the mouse, keyboard, and monitor separately since it doesn't come with the actual tower itself. And so the monitor is 24 inches, which is pretty big. Doesn't really matter since it's a desktop, and the desktop doesn't need to be small anyways. And it is $870 altogether. Computer 4 is the custom build. It's a desktop. So different parts of the computer that I bought were the case, which is what holds together the whole computer inside it. And then the next one is a motherboard. That's the kind of where everything is wired to. It's like a circuit board. Then comes the CPU, which is a central processing unit. It's the brain of the computer, I would say. Then is a power supply. That's pretty self-explanatory. It brings power to the computer, the electrical power from your outlet. Then is a hard drive where everything is stored on. It's like permanent memory, kind of. It's like where you save photos or anything else that you need to save, like documents. So then next is the memory, which is the RAM. If you want to buy RAM, that it changes how fast your computer runs programs and simultaneously. So also next one is the video card. This is what puts the graphics on your screen. Then comes the optical drive, which is basically a CD or DVD drive. And those are all the parts of the computer.